Hello, good morning, Anandya ji. How are you?
Super, sir, super. So, very good morning. I think you started a morning with me today.
Yes,
Did you
of
know?
course. Yes, of course. I have just checked and found this slot. So I have just booked that.
And I hope everything is fine with you.
Yes, yes, of course. Everything is fine. Very good.
Today, it's a day off for you, Sudhiji.
No, 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 no. Once I finish this session, then after I will log in.
Okay. So, you're still working from home?
Yes, I am still working from home simultaneously. Uh, for just a few days, I will go to office and few days I will just doing at my home.
I mean, going to office has become a mandate now. I mean, it has been
It is
issued.
not mandate, but it is just for batch wise.
Okay. What do you mean by that? I mean,
Batch wise
alternatively.
means alternativity day means weekly batches. For this week I have just working from home, but next week I will go to office.
So so you have been doing this for long, Sureji? I mean, right from the beginning that, or is it in the recent past that it has just started? I mean, for
Yes,
last few months.
last few months, December 21st, company has give the instructions, so we have followed and we have
Company,
studied.
company has given the instructions.
Yeah, company has given the instruction and we are following that.
Absolutely, sir. And how is it to go to office and work there? And how is it to work from home? I mean, do you find a major significant difference, or is it same for you?
No, no, it is time for me because I am the person who is the believing my goal. So
I didn't get that.
uh, I am that type of person. If I have some goal, so I will just follow that only. What are the else surrounding of me? I can't bother that. So
Hmm.
you can say in Dronacharya, ask for Arjun. Oh, for what are you saying? Seeing in the tree, on the tree, right?
But so Arjun said bird's eye, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm just, I can only see the bird's eye. The rest of the things didn't bother me. So, sir, so you could have said this that I'm not bothered by my surroundings. Very simple. You are on mute again. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, so I am not bothered by my surroundings. I focus on my work, or I'm very focused. When you make very long sentences, see, the frame you can see right on your screen, sir. This is your frame. You could be using a mobile. So see, I'm extending my both the fingers. Has it gone outside the frame of your mobile already?
Yes.
But this is
Right.
convenient.
Yes.
I hope you understood, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. Of course.
longer sentences would mean going out of the frame, making more mistakes. But when you make shorter sentences, you can choose your, I mean, cherry pick, zero down, pinpoint your mistakes. I saw today's topic. I thought you will not be very keen to discuss about that, pets. Am I correct?
Yes. Of course.
And I know you. I know you now by this time, right? Okay. So you please tell me that when you generally work from home, or now that you are going to office, what is the sequence of work? I mean, when you go to office, Do you follow the same pattern what you are doing at home, or is it something else? I mean, when you work from office, there are some other kind of work which keeps coming up since you
No,
are
I think so. The work is similar,
similar.
so there is no any major changes.
Okay, okay. And how do you begin your day, sir? I mean, what exactly do you do? Do you mind describing that?
Um, uh, because we are uploading this video on YouTube now.
Okay. Okay. You don't want to describe that. Okay. Then tell me that what has been the biggest achievement in your life? I think this you can share, right?
Biggest achievement in my life.
It could be professional, it could be personal.
I think so. I didn't get anything.
Ah, okay. Oh, you consider that way? I mean, you have spent so many years in your life, sir. I'm sure there is one moment that you will be very proud of.
No, lots of the achievement, but if you can ask me the biggest achievement of my life, so I will still. It is
I'm yet to get it. That's what you're saying?
yes, of course, because my goal is my primary goal is for just currently I am just doing for myself only.
Okay,
But
okay.
but every day or every moment when I feel something and I saw something, so I in my heart maybe some of the part may be destroyed or broken, or just telling me my heart, what are you doing? Have you born for this? Have you born for this daily routine, or you have to born for another activities? Every
Okay.
time my heart will ask me. So right now I'm doing very well for my family. Okay, I'm taking my all the responsibility. But I think so. In sometimes I felt I couldn't because I this is a journal means I can say everybody doing their task, but what about the other
People, sir.
people? Sorry.
And can I make a correction? You
So
mind
I
one.
think so. That's why. Yes. Sorry. Sorry.
No, there you could have said that my mind always keeps on saying, my mind keeps saying this to me, that were you born for this? Were you born? Because you were born in the past. Okay. So were you born for this? You were not born for this. So whenever you are questioning yourself, that is also something that this is related to your past.
Okay.
Okay. You were not meant for this. You were never born for this. So are you born for this? Would be like so. But tell me some of the proud moments at least. I'm sure you have that.
Yes. Of course. I have the proud moment in my
What-
childhood, also in my college life, also in my professional life, also in current situation, also
So please tell me.
personal, professional, lots of the things. And latest achievement in October in last year, I I have second kid. So this one is also achievement for me.
So when you say this sentence, can I just add on to this that
Yes, of course.
whenever you say about your kid that I had my second kid, so one of the best ways to express would be one of the proudest moment that I have, that when I was blessed with my second kid.
I am blessed with my
Second kid, you said my second
second
child.
kid. Okay, yes. Okay.
So you are explaining that again your kid was born couple of years back, maybe 2 3 years. So you say that that was one of the wonderful moment or the proudest moment for me. when I was blessed with my second child. If you say when I had my second child, that's also okay. That's not, incorrect. But again, if you want to use this language in a bit refined manner, which you want to do always, Sudhirji, that's your goal.
Yes.
Wonderful, sir. And that was one of your personal moments. And any professional moments, proud moments recently?
Yes, of course, I have achieved the task and uh, professional. So I'm working on client environment. Now that's why I'm unable to speak.
Okay.
But I will give you one. Let's just one of my colleague, one of my friend, he need the job because in my starting when I have completed my graduation and I searching, I have searched a lot of the job, but I couldn't find and couldn't clear because no one has hired the fresher because I don't have any professional degree. I have just completed my graduation. That's it only. So it is very difficult to me get the job in accounts field. I am working. I have worked experience in a call center also, but I left the call center. I left the call center because of the one of my relatives told me you can go with a accounts because there was no future. So I will just blindly accept this challenge and send and resignation my job. That time I paid 9,000 per month salary. It is around 10 to 11 years ago. And after 6 months staying on a home, I I realized I did very big mistake without taking any, without knowing anything, and I will just uh, trust to another person and just I resign my job. So it is very struggle time for me. So I have just do some labor work and clear my 6 months also, and just found one suitable job for accounts and I get the 5,000 salary per month. 9,000 to 5,000 salary I have started. It is uh, means downwards, but when I realized it is very means pathetic to get the job and how we know and which company get the job. The company, Big Bazaar,
Yes, yes, yes.
the Big Bazaar, the Future Group. Okay, the parent company name is Future Group. So Future Group hired me as a accounts associate, and in that company, lots of the vacancy, but I couldn't, but I don't know about the vacancies. So I just try to make sure that whosoever is required, who is a needed person, so I will just attach them. And I have at least in my society, in my area, there are lots of the people who are still searching the job last 2 years, and I have uh, give the details to HR and conduct their interviews for the HR. Not I have taking the interviews, but I will just refer them, and now they are working in and last 10 years ago they have started their career. So they in today times they are thankful for me. You are doing, you have done for me a very great job because no one is caring about me, and we are just searching for 2 years because sometimes we have just asked for people in your company, have you job, you can ask for HR, but people they are just ignore. They are just telling okay, no problem, I will just inform, I will ask for HR. But the reality of the truth, maybe 90% the people they don't go and ask their HR, do they have the vacancy? If they have some monetary benefit, then they will ask. Okay, otherwise no one care about the, maybe I was wrong, but I had some experience, that's why I'm telling. So first we need to think as a human being rather than every time we need to just for ask our check our monetary benefit. So what is the difference for us and the animal? Okay.
What is the difference? What is the difference between us?
Between us or the people, because they are living for their they are living for their family, and we are living for our family. So I think so we have to think about out of the box.